You see where the droppings are, for the raccoon droppings. There's a pile of them over there. And I'm in the attic doing an estimate for some cleanup. You can see where the raccoons are running around. And I'm looking for another area in this attic. I had to go through all these trellises. There's like a tray ceiling. So they hear the activity on this side. I have to watch where I'm walking. Here you see the paw prints. They're walking across. They're walking across the insulation. See if I can come across any more. Probably just have to spray. The tray ceiling here. I don't really see any. Looks like they're. This is where they are at. This is where they're sleeping. On this side. So I'm going to take a few photos and tell them what I need to do to sanitize. Did a couple spots. Then I'm going to vacuum. Replace about 33 square foot of insulation and then just spray everything with the sanitizer. I got to go further back here. See what's going on, and I'll take some photos. You can see, still see the squirrel, raccoon activity. I got to be careful. Usually we charge for this inspection, $100, but she was willing to wait a few days for the inspection. You can see all this activity. All this footprints. Raccoons are going everywhere. Going crazy. Look at all that. Oh, there's some droppings. There we go. Hit another spot. That's good. Okay, good. Alright. Yeah, let's go further back. I'm going to take some photos. Oh, that's they shoot up the ductwork back here. The ductwork got chewed up, so I gotta. There's even more droppings back there. Wow. I can cut this up into a few videos. Take out some bad clips. Yeah, I'm good. Okay, great. Yeah, they want to make sure I'm in the right spot. Yeah. Alright. I'm going to take some photos so I can share with them the report, and then I'm going to estimate them. It's going to be a little bit more than I thought it was going to be, so that's good. Get a little work out of this. Alright, Derek with Eliminex here in Lakewood, New Jersey.